Alright, doing to install the horns. So let's look at this this one here first. This goes on the top. So the holes, the horn. Okay, the bottom one that has the notch on it goes here. So the screw holes here, and then the notch goes there. And then the other one is way up underneath here, and there's a hole right there. So that one that goes up here, this horn here. All right, we'll put that up in there. All right, that, and then the back side. That's right there, right just below your arm here. And the other one. Okay. Something like that. Okay, there's your notch. All right, there we go. And on the back side, kind of hard to see. The wires right there. And then the plugs. So we've got our light here, horns. All right, so you got two plugs. One at the end is one for the bottom, and then of course in the center here. You can see it. It's right here. All right. That's it.